Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming targets and getting your monitoring environment ready. First, gather the IPs or host names into a simple list or CSV so you can import them quickly. Once done, verify the server or workstation will allow ICMP or TCP probes and has accurate time. This avoids confusing timestamps. Next, install or open the ping monitoring tool and sign in. Make sure your account or trial permits the number of targets you need, so you won't be blocked mid-setup. Now configure the individual checks and how you'll be alerted. Start by grouping targets logically, then add each host and choose an interval like 30s or 60s depending on criticality. Next, pick probe types. Use ICMP for raw latency, TCP or HTTP to test service responsiveness. Set thresholds for latency and packet loss, define retry behavior, and attach notification channels such as email, SMS, or webhooks. Make sure to test one alert to confirm delivery before you scale the configuration. Finish by running the monitoring and validating results. You should observe live probes and capture baseline latency and packet loss so you understand normal performance. Once you have a baseline, intentionally simulate a brief outage or block one probe to confirm alerts fire and clear correctly. If you encounter false positives, make sure to check the firewall rules, DNS resolution, and probe paths. Also consider lengthening intervals or increasing retries. Finally, document the setup and keep the configuration backed up for.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.